Hi, in this tutorial, we're going to see how you can integrate Easy Pop-ups with your email autoresponder. For this demo, we're going to use a GetResponse account, but the process is pretty much the same for every autoresponder. So let's, for example, take this pop-up, and I have this opt-in form that I need to link to my autoresponder. So I will go to my GetResponse account, and I will go up to Form and create a new form. In here, I will choose the plain HTML editor, as this option gives me an HTML code that I will be able to use inside the Easy Pop-ups builder. So once I choose the settings I want, I copy the HTML code and get back to Easy Pop-ups, select the form, go to its settings on the right sidebar and paste the code here. You can see that the name and email fields were automatically populated. And that's it. That's how easy it is to integrate Easy Pop-ups with your autoresponder. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial.